You don't belong here. This is my house. You belong.
My mind's become delusional. I speak in rhymes, make the government constitutional. Switch modes represent change. I'm consented to send, it ain't pretend. I simply defend what's mine as I sprang into crime. A battle of choices makes my mind right. I begin to fight, then I'm out of sight. Make you think it's out of life, then right in front of your eyes, make you paralyzed. I don't need no precise price. Did it for the thrill, intentions to fight, to close my eyes, imagine myself in a place where they can't find. Where my mind rests, only one kind, can't define my rhymes, kinda analyze. This is only one life, life to life, you got to know I roll up on a new level. Intercepting lies in disguise, my appetite despises, ridicules into your lies. Memories cause wanted a bomb in my mind's complete holocaust. And realize the cost, you ain't alone. This place can be chrome goals, you disregard the disbelief, and in your head to be free. Still my loyalty is the best part of me. I remember escaping in the night, my perseverance and might making me quiet. I reserve my attention to observe life. With detached curiosities, onlookers affected cause serious reactions, so I'm looking for a simple distraction. My project hates and debate. My sensitivities run out, my obligations as a thug fought out. Soon enough, my consciousness is running out, leading to new haste and aspirations. My ideas are absorbed. I ain't got room for rapport, I reserve for rage. You shouldn't keep us in a fucking cage. I sense that gets you tripping on your own hypotheses. As you open upon the bags, it's lost to high. We got all the weed from the 7 seas. It ain't causing no disease. You asking the disease, squeeze the motherfucking teeth. There's multitudes of kids sneeze. I'm taking draws of these, so please. Catch a whiff of my breeze. All you're gonna smell is a sweet aroma with a key straight from the Middle East. It's the best stuff when it comes from BC. Finding seeds growing in the fields of dreams. Getting us right in our hypotheses. Keeping us right in parentheses. These hypotheses of the time and the closure of the mind. The way the transformation of the dime is in the right time and the reasoning of the mind. Transformation of the time, the reasoning of the time, and the closing of the eyes. Imagine yourself in that place where you can't define the reasoning in your mind. The way we transform our time, this vision that we grow and know. Everybody holds the time and the reasoning of the mind that transforms.